All right, here we go. Another 2 weeks gone. You can see everything's still growing good. My biggest problem, I guess, is going to be running out of space. But I figured I'd give you a little action video today. I'm watering live. I've been putting, once a week, I'll put a teaspoon of eggshells in there. I don't know if it's going to do anything. We got a lot of eggshells. Somebody said it's good for them. Somebody said it's no good. I got to do something with the eggshells, right? But hopefully by the next video I'll have some sort of solution for the where this stuff's going to grow. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you again in 2 weeks.